Okay. Bite 2 now. This. Oh. This is called. Pasok lang natin ang salok.
Si Kuya ang kamukha dito kasi
Okay, now let's just
ay,
put it
kaganda, wow.
in my box. Okay, now time for the big book.
Finally, abang tiklo. Ba't kayo? Aglo itong laman niya may.
Okay.
Aglo ang laman niya may.
Oh no. Ay, sorry guys.
Tayo? Uy, nagtulog siya. Uy, ang galing. Dalawa, white one.
Open. Guys, let's in the box. Okay, let's. Oh! Wow! Look at this. Now let's put it out of the cellophane. Oh. Nagsu. It went suka. Wait, let me try. Ay, mga pa-box. Okay guys, that's for today. Bye.